Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you the best video settings for more FPS in Left 4 Dead 2. Let's get started. First, open Left 4 Dead 2. Go to Options. Then open Video. Set the display mode to full screen. Choose your monitor's native resolution. Or lower it if you want even more FPS. Set the aspect ratio to match your monitor. Now click Advanced Settings. Set Model and Texture Detail to Low. Set Shader Detail to Low. Set Effect Detail to Low. Set Multicore Rendering to Enabled. Set Anti-Aliasing Mode to None. Set Filtering Mode to Bilinear. Apply the changes. Then restart the game. These settings should give you the best FPS, especially on low-end PCs. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.